So we're in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. December 14th? 14th. And it is raining. And as you can see, the roads are skating rinks. Literally. This is all ice all around the city and it's still raining. Now, if you don't have good winter tires, if you aren't a good defensive driver, a good defensive winter driver, then you're probably gonna die tonight. Holy shit, this is a skating rink. So yeah, mid-December, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, raining. The roads are a skating rink. If you have some skates, which I know all Canadians do, head on out and get your skate on. Maybe start up some hockey games on like the middle of the White Mud Drive. Lots of room for it.